Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. How are you? Hope you are doing well. This video is designed to explain how to post your video assignments to UClass. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this so that there's no confusion and that you get all the points that you deserve for this semester. So what I'm going to talk about is posting YouTube links to UClass. Now, you're going to ask, why do we need to post YouTube links? I don't want to be on YouTube. Why can't I just post a video? Well, we'll talk about that. But the main reason is that UClass has too many problems with video file uploads into the system. And I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we will talk about that a little bit. So basically, if you upload your file to UClass, there's a high chance that it's going to fail to upload. Okay, so that's why we need to use YouTube links, and we need to upload those or submit those links to UClass. Because if you upload a file to UClass, it could fail. You could see it, maybe I can't see it, right? Even if the student can see the upload, sometimes the professor can't see it. I don't know why. This is just a UClass problem. And it seems like you didn't do the assignment. So it appears like you didn't do the assignment. So I have to give you 0 points. We don't want that, right? That's not good. So what we need to do is use YouTube to create a link and then submit the link to UClass, which works perfectly most of the time. Now, don't worry about your privacy because you can create an unlisted video. Now, an unlisted video means that nobody can search for your video, nobody can find your video on YouTube. Only people with the link, me, can view your video, okay? So that's why we need to do this. It's just much more secure, more stable, more safe. All right, so I'm going to talk about how to do that now. So first I will share my screen here. Right. And I'm going to start by going to YouTube. All right, so here we are on YouTube and we need to upload our video file to YouTube. So we go to Create up here in the top right-hand corner. And then we will go down to Upload Videos. This is where we add our video file. So we need to select the files that we want to put into the YouTube channel. So let's see here, I already have some recordings. I'm just going to choose one and I will drag and drop that into this section and then it will upload the video. Now, at this point, what we need to do is add our information. Okay, so for here, I recommend just putting your name and your student number. This is not my student number, just a fake student number. And then down here, we can talk about what is the video. So for example, I can do presentation video 1, okay, or video homework, you know, something like that I can put in there. And then down here, we can select a thumbnail. If we want to add a thumbnail, that is the picture at the beginning of the video. You can add that to your own playlist if you want, but you don't need to. And then down here, you're going to click no, it is not for kids. All right, because no kids are going to watch this, so we don't need to create anything special for that. And then again, up here, you can select a thumbnail if you want. For example, I put that one. That will be the first thing that you see. And then we go down here and go to next after it has uploaded. You can add some end screens or you can add some cards, but 필요 없습니다. And go to next here. And this is just checking for copyright. Everything is okay. And then we go to next here. Now this is the most important part. So up in this section, we want to go to unlisted. All right, this is the one we want, unlisted. Now what that means is anyone with the link can watch your video. Okay, So that means your video does not appear on YouTube search. It does not appear on your YouTube channel. It does not appear on any internet search, Google search, Naver search. 없습니다. So it's kind of private, but you can still share the link. So we go here and we go to unlisted. All right, unlisted. Private 말고 private 하지 마세요. If you send me private, I cannot view it. So you must go to unlisted, and then you can go down here to save. And it will save the video, and then here we have our video link. All right, so we can copy the link, and the next part is to go to UClass. So here is UClass, an assignment page, for example. When we have a video assignment, you can come in here and you can add new discussion topic. All right. And then here is the subject and message. Again, up here, what you're going to want to put is your student number, 학번, ding, 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 ding. And then down here is the most important part. So you would put, for example, presentation video 1. And then you want to go to this link button right here. So this is the most important button, this link. You're going to click that link button. Then you will paste your link in there. And you will hit create link. There it is. All right, you can see it right there. That is your link for your video. Now, what I recommend, just to be safe, is put it in one more time. 한 번 더 copy and paste it in there just to make sure, just to be sure that your video is going to be available for viewing. Okay, so we have that in there, and then we can post to forum. Click the blue button. All right, and then we want to come back in and check. All right, always check to make sure it has posted. Ta-da! There it is. We can see the video. There's my video for presentation video number 1. I have the link as backup down here in case it didn't post. And then we are done. We don't have to worry about files failing, uploads failing, UClass problems. We don't have to worry about that. Nice. So that's how you post your videos through a link, YouTube link, into UClass. That's how you should be doing it this semester, just to make sure that your file, your video is going to be able to be seen in UClass. All right. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for this short video. Please watch this again if you need to know how to do that. And I look forward to watching your videos and seeing you in class. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good day.